How do you make pork and shrimp potstickers? So it's super juicy, succulent, and over-the-top tasty.
Stay tuned for a simple cooking trick that will make a huge difference.
Here we have some deveined shrimp. Slice along the back of the shrimp, lengthwise. Do the same with the rest. In a mixing bowl, add the ground pork. You can also replace it with chicken or beef. And water. This is the cooking trick that my mom has been using for decades. It's going to make the filling super juicy. Just give it a try and let me know how it goes. Mix until the ground pork has fully absorbed all the liquid. Then add the soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, white pepper, ginger, and scallions. Mix well. Here we have some dumpling wrappers. They are available in most Asian grocery stores by the freezer sections. You could also make them from scratch at home. Lay a dumpling wrapper flat. Brush water around the edge. Add about a tablespoon of the pork filling. Top with a piece of shrimp on the pork. Fold in half and pinch the edges together. Leave out the shrimp tail at the center. And do the same with the rest. In a bowl, mix together the soy sauce, Chinkiang vinegar. You can also replace it with other types of vinegar, and chili oil. In a pan over medium heat, add the oil. Place the potstickers in the pan. Pan fry until the bottom is crispy for about 2 minutes. To prevent splattering, cover the lid about halfway and pour the water inside. Cover the lid completely and steam over low heat until all the water is mostly evaporated for about 7 minutes. Serve the potstickers with the sauce. I think we could all agree that mom's food tastes the best. Other than they know tons of cooking tricks, I believe the most magical ingredient is love. So for me, my mom's food is the best. Happy cooking and enjoy!
I love it. It's crispy on the bottom, so juicy, soft, and tender on the inside. Amazing. I hope that you have enjoyed today's episode also. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!